Alright guys, so today we're doing a catch and cook challenge. Whatever I catch today, no matter what, bluegill, bass, perch, whatever it is, I have to cook it, fillet it, and eat it, right? So we're gonna head out there, we're gonna try to get some bass, because bass tastes really good, but hey, bluegill do too, man, so we're just gonna see what happens. I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright y'all, we made it down here. We're down towards the middle, and I'm just gonna throw this little crank. It's got some really nice color on her, and we're just gonna see if she does anything for me. We're gonna cast her with the wind, and just hope for the best here. Wouldn't it be amazing to get a bite first cast? Oh, there's Braden. Man, Braden, he's low-key funny, dude. He is something. I'll tell you what. Oh, I just about stumbled. Woohoo! That ain't good. But no, he is definitely something. Am I on? I think I just got hit. I may have hit bottom. I don't know. I was reeling kind of fast. Not really sure. Man, I think he's mad at me. Cause he's wanting me to hang out with him today. Oh yeah, we got moss. But my parents weren't at the house, so I couldn't just like leave, you know. And I have videos to make. So now what in the world? All right, so we got the crankbait. Need to get right downwind. Oh yeah. Come on, big bass right here. I need it, man, I need it. No, literally, because there's no food at the house either. I literally have to eat. I mean, I don't necessarily have to. Like, I could go to the store and get food, don't get me wrong. But this is more fun. I like this a whole lot better than buying my food. You know, this way it's hard-earned, worked for, and like you actually cooked it. So I don't know what it is about a cooked meal, like one that you cook yourself. It always tastes better because you know the hard work that was put in for it. That's, I think, what my thing is. But for now, I think I'm gonna switch back to the Whopper Plopper yet again. And I'm gonna get right down there in that corner. Hopefully we can get, actually, you know what? I'm gonna get right up here first. Come on, big topwater blow up. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Come on, topwater blow up in the duckweed. Or duckweed, whatever you want to call it. Man, that stuff is terrible. Oh yeah, that should be a fish right there. Come on, give me a bass. I heard one break. Oh yeah, we got weeds. Well, that's how you, for the most part, solve that problem. I'm gonna get right there in this thick moss. Or we're not. Dang, it's just floating right on top. Okay. Well, that works. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna swing her way down there. Try to reel her up. Man, I'm thinking I might have to switch back to the crank. I don't know. Oh yeah. There has to be a big one over here that I'm not gonna get, I don't think. Nope. Probably not, unfortunately. I'm gonna try to get up in here. Get in that pocket. Oh, I thought that was going in the tree for a second. Well, we're gonna switch back to the crankbait since we're about towards the middle again. Man, it's looking real dark outside today too. Hoping this crankbait is what saves us today. I do not have my tackle box and I have no other tackle. Oh, there we go. I got a fish. Fish on, baby. Fish on. Right as I was talking about it. Yeah. Come on. Bring her in. We're gonna cook you. Woo! Little bass. Oh yeah. Got a little guy. It's enough to keep though. Oh yeah. Man, she's pulling drag out on me. Damn. She's fighting hard. All right. No. We cannot lose you. Oh yeah. Fish one of the day, baby. In the boat. All right, guys. We got the fish in the lip, and he hooked me a little bit, but shoot, I gotta grab it. If you look here, there is indeed a fish in the basket. So we at least have dinner, boys. We got a surprise visitor. Braden's with us. I don't know if he's gonna fish or not, but he might. I'm just casting my whopper plopper out here.
Whopper plopper.
Yep, that's the name of the lure.
Jesus Christ. Why not just call it a lure?
Because there's many different types of lures. You got top water lures, you know, you got bottom baits. Oh yeah, there we go. Number 2. No, dude. Almost had a fish. That would have been the second one.
Make sure y'all go subscribe to Top Gun Gaming 55. I
All
have
right.
the Arkham Knight profile.
All right. He posts gaming vids, stuff like that.
I have a movie currently in the works.
Right here, we should get a big old bass.
Bass are hard to catch.
Not really. Just depends on the day and the weather.
I'm not an expert fisherman like you, Jackson, so.
Oh, I wouldn't call me an expert.
You've been out here, what, like several days?
It's like my 4th day in a row coming out here.
Tight.
Making a video. But
I hope you get a mill, then you'll get a diamond play button.
it'd be tough. It's what the eventual end goal is.
Yeah, but I have a movie in the works, people.
Yeah, he's got a movie going on right now.
It's a Red Dead movie.
Oh, okay. He was working on a GTA movie. I don't know what happened to that, but
I'm currently trying to get both those done. But I've just been doing the Red Dead one more than the GTA one, you know?
yeah, I understand.
So that's why I wanted to get that one done first, you know?
Yeah, I get it. Oh yeah, we're gonna get a big old bass right
hey,
here.
if you take a bass, let me take a photo of it.
Okay, I got you.
Post it to Snap.
Oh, I'm gonna get a whole bunch of moss from right over here. All right, yep, I already feel it. Oh, I have a little fish. I have a teeny tiny bass. First cast too. First cast back out. Oh my gosh, boys, look at this small bass. Brayden, look.
Oh my god, he's squirming.
Teeny tiny little bass. We're gonna get a video of the release too for the Instagram. Nice little baby bass. Beautiful bass. All right, y'all. I'm getting the bucket of water right now. I'm gonna clean the fish, and it is what it is. Got a nice little bucket of water right here, and that's what you really clean the fillets with. But we got to scale it and do all that first. So, all right, guys. So this was the pretty little bass that we had. Nothing too big, nothing too small. Perfect little bass for this. But we're gonna fillet her up, get her on the skillet. So basically, when you take a fish, you want to take the knife and get them right behind the eyes, because that's right about where the brain is, and you just want to stab them. Well, maybe, if your knife's sharp enough. Dear God. There we go. And just like that, nice little slit, and that kills the fish. So now what you want to do, take your knife, kind of get up under the fins, or not even necessarily take your knife. You want to take it, and you can feel all this fatty meat right here. You just want to take your knife and just kind of slice right through it.
Jackson, it went dark.
It's supposed to, it's fine. And then, once you have a nice little slit like that, take the fin, move it out of the way, and just take this until you get down to the spine. And you'll be able to feel where the spine is with the knife.
The screen's black.
Yeah, it's supposed to be. If it's still flashing red, that means it's recording. And then we just take this and we go right along. Look at that. Nasty fish guts. And that's one fillet, and then we got to clean it off. But that's pretty much how that process is done. We're about to go put them in the skillet. We're gonna fry them up, and I'll see y'all whenever we get that. But this is a little skillet we got. I'm gonna put it over a fire and then get them going. I got some really good batter too, but I'll see y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so we got wet batter, we got dry batter mix, and you basically just take your fish fillets and you throw them in the wet batter and you just kind of mix them around, get them all up in there, right? You know, just kind of mix it up, take it out, looks nice and good. And then what you want to do is take it, throw it in the dry batter, take your bag, just kind of, you know, flop it around, make sure you get it fully covered. And then should have a pretty nice breaded looking fillet, just like so. Got the skillet, and it's a little messed up, a little deformed. We have some olive oil. We're about to get this fire going, baby. We're about to get this fillet going. Get her nice and flat. Get the oil poured on all in there. Oh yeah. That's perfect. Then what we do, take your bottle, set it off to the side, kind of just mix that oil in real good. All right, now we're gonna wait, let that get hot. And while we're waiting, I'm gonna add some more sticks to the fire. But we have got two nice and beautiful fillets in here. And I'm really hoping that they taste good. They should. But that's the hard-earned bass from today. Look at that beautiful, beautiful fillet. Listen to her sizzle whenever I drop her on. Woo! Nice sizzle. But yeah, guys, right now we're gonna let these cook, and then I'll catch y'all whenever we're done with this. I'll let you know how they taste. All right, you guys, so my one fillet kind of fell apart a little bit, but this one's looking nice and golden, crispy brown. I'm gonna let her cook just a little bit more, but whenever she's done, this should taste amazing. I'll let y'all know. All right, you guys, we got little pieces of fish, little bites.
Ooh, that crisp.
A little crunchy. That's how I like them. Some of them get burnt. Some of them don't. We got little fish nuggets. And these are genuinely amazing. Y'all have got to try it. That's the mix I use. It's like $3 at Walmart. Super cheap for some of the greatest tasting fish I think you will ever have in your life. But yeah, I'll see y'all whenever I'm done with this fish.